Guys, this is one of the most craziest storms I've ever been through during the daytime. Oh God. Oh, Daddy. Okay, that's crazy. Oh, good Lord. Jesus Christ, the storm is crazy. Alright, I don't know what to do right now. This is really crazy. And there's like trees over there that's blowing. Take a closer look. Okay, I'm gonna go over here for safety. Oh, Jesus. Okay, now the wind just got even bigger. Alright, now it's even more crazier. Oh, probably under the tornado warning, dude. What the hell? Good Lord. Good Lord, dude. Woo! This storm is not chilling, not calming down. This just keeps getting stronger and stronger. I hope our trampoline is going to do okay, because this is just crazy wind. Okay. Slowing down now. Nope, never mind. Never mind. Never mind. It's going to the opposite direction now. Oh, damn. Yep, it's going to the opposite direction. Yep, it's the opposite direction. Oh my God. Yo. I can't even go over there anymore because the wind is like so strong. Oh, I think the wind is gone. Like it's soaking wet. Alright, okay, look at that. This is not something you usually see, guys. This is really not something you usually see. You usually see. The rain has calmed down, but the wind hasn't yet. I think the rain just makes a lot of noise. I think the wind just makes it strong. Yeah, you guys can obviously tell that this storm is actually really freaking huge. Okay, trees are starting to calm down. Still hear the wind from all the way up there. But the wind is still strong. I'll end the video right here, guys, real quick.